Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on Xbox One. It's important to know that Genshin Impact is not directly downloadable or installed on Xbox One consoles. However, there is a fantastic way for Xbox One owners to join the adventure in Teyvat. You can experience this popular action RPG through Xbox Cloud Gaming, which offers a seamless streaming experience right on your console. This method allows you to explore the vast open world without needing a native installation. Genshin Impact is widely available across several platforms for direct play. You can download and install it on personal computers, iOS and Android mobile devices, and both PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 consoles. More recently, the game also received a native version for the latest Xbox Series X and S consoles. While a Nintendo Switch version was announced some time ago, its release date remains unconfirmed. So these are your primary options for a direct download experience. For those with an Xbox One, the solution lies in Xbox Cloud Gaming. This service lets you stream games directly to your console over the internet, bypassing the need for a local installation. To utilize this, you will need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. This subscription provides access to a library of cloud-enabled games, including Genshin Impact, allowing you to play it just as you would any other streamed title. To begin your journey in Teyvat on your Xbox One, first confirm your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription is active. Next, ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection. A minimum of 20 megabits per second is recommended for optimal streaming quality. Once set up, you can launch Genshin Impact via the cloud and even continue your progress from other platforms using your HoYoverse account. Dive into the world of elemental magic and adventure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.